has long been a Swedish oddity with minuscule sales but a bunch of quirkiness baked into its cars, and the 2016 S60 Cross Country is one of its quirkiest creations yet. Volvo has been selling slightly raised, all-wheel drive wagons for years, but we're left scratching our heads as to why the automaker decided to apply the cross-country treatment to its midsize sedan. When we drove the V60 Cross Country wagon last year, it seemed a worthy alternative to bigger, heavier crossovers that didn't really offer much more space or off-road capability. Slap a body cladding and a small lift on something without a hatchback, though, and it gets harder to see the upsides. The S60 Cross Country's awkward proportions are turn-offs, and even if the extra ground clearance and all-terrain capability inspire you to take adventures, won't you want space to take your stuff with you? Good luck fitting your camping equipment in the S60 Cross Country's small, 12-cubic-foot trunk. But by far the most confusing part of the Volvo S60 Cross Country is its timing. Volvo has been owned by China's Geely Holding Group for a few years now, and the brand is currently blossoming into a full-blown global luxury car company. Ambitious plans are in place for growing Volvo's footprint, and the first fruits of this new initiative, the XC90 SUV and S90 sedan, are extremely promising. With shared underpinnings and efficiency-minded driving powertrains, these elegant, stylish, and forward-thinking luxury cars suggest a bright future for Volvo without abandoning the brand's distinctly Swedish personality. The 2016 Volvo S60 Cross Country has personality, too, and our irrational side appreciates how nonsensical and rare it is. Volvo is only bringing 500 of these to the US. But prosperous car companies aren't built on silly ideas. We're eager to forget all about the S60 Cross Country as we watch the new Volvo take shape and, hopefully, find a path to success. 2016 Volvo S60 Cross Country specifications on sale. Now price, $44,640. Base engine, 2.5 liters. 20 valve i5/250 horsepower at 5,400 revolutions per minute, 266 lb-ft at 1,8004, 200 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 6-speed automatic layout, 4-door, 5-passenger, front engine, AWD sedan. EPA mileage, 20/28 mile per gallon. City/highway LXWXH, 182.6 by 73.5 by 60.6 in wheelbase, 109.2 in weight, 3,913 pounds. 060 miles per hour, N, a second's top speed, N, a miles per hour. Show more.